Hey all you sleepless snow fighters out there, this is Mike with Kage Innovation. Have you ever wondered if snow tires really improve a skid steer's performance? Do they really get better traction than standard skid steer tires? Well, let's find out. We're going to run 3 tests that compare the performance of both tires. First, the pull test, where we pit both machines against each other to see which machine can pull the other. Then there's the Cloverleaf test, that's traction and control. And finally, the hog test, testing grip and speed. Each of these tests will be graded on 3 things that are important to you, the snow removal contractor: speed, traction, and control. Let's take a closer look at the Kage Klawz. They're built from a durable semi-trailer tire that's been recapped with a Michelin gripper tread, specifically designed for improved traction in the snow. The rim has a continuous weld all the way around for maximum strength and a valve stem guard to protect it from damage. The Kage Klawz come in 3 sizes: the 225, which is our smallest tire, the 245, our most common tire size, and finally the 255, which is the largest in diameter and increases the top speed of your machine. Well, let's see if all this fuss really adds up to increased productivity. First, we have the pull test. We've strapped both machines back to back to see which tire setup can pull the other. In this first test, the dirt tires posed a big challenge to the snow tire. After the snow melted underneath the spinning tires, they started to dig into the asphalt. There were times that the dirt tires actually overcame the snow tires. Next, in the Cloverleaf test, the 2 machines will push a load of snow to the end of this lot, turn the load around, and then come back to the start line. With the Cloverleaf test, you could visibly see the advantage of the Kage Klawz over the standard skid steer tires, especially when it comes to the turn. The Kage Klawz tires maintain traction throughout the turn, whereas the standard tires got slipped up. It's time to tear it up with the hog test. How far and how fast will these 2 different tires make it? Let's take a look. Again, the Kage Klawz outperformed the other dirt tires. They pushed the snow much farther and faster. Speed, traction, and control are important for snow removal. These are all attributes of an efficient operator and machine. Well, the operator and machine are only as good as the tires the machine sits on. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Once again, I'm Mike from Kage Innovation, and thanks for watching.